Hello and welcome to Brazilian DIY. I'm ADRIANADAY, and today's video is an unbox and review of a NIRA laser. If you want to know everything about this device, it's very simple. Just keep watching. Simple like that. NIRA is an anti-age skin device that is FDA cleared and clinically proven to reduce fine lines and wrinkles around your eyes. NIRA uses a non-fractional laser technology to stimulate natural collagen production. This is the same technology that your dermatologist uses in office, and now you can have the same technology in the convenience of your home for a fraction of the price. Isn't it great? And the way it works is heating up the cells under the skin, causing a little bit of stress, triggering it to heal and consequently stimulate collagen. Everything is about collagen. Most of the product on the market is about collagen. So what is the difference between the at-home laser and in the clinic? When you have a laser done professionally in the clinic with a professional, they use this high-intensity laser, so you have a faster results, and the treatment leaves temporary marks and redness on the skin, not mentioning the price. This type of treatment is very expensive, and it can go for $1,500 to $3,000 per session, and I think you need usually 3 to 4 sessions, so it's a lot of money. But on the other hand, we have a NIRA. Once you buy the machines, it's yours, paid off, and you can do as many treatments you want with no extra cost. It's just so great. Also, NIRA uses low intensity laser, so your treatment it's longer, but it's safer. That's why they made low intensity, so it's safer to use at home, and you don't have to worry about marks or redness. The treatment is very easy, but it still is very effectively. You only need 2 minutes a day to do your whole CrossFit area. NIRA is FDA approved to use only in a CrossFit area, but I have been using above my eyes to tighten up my hooded eyes, and I got incredible results that I'm gonna share in a little bit with you guys. Just please be careful not to use on your eyeballs when you're using. Doesn't matter if in your hooded eyes or in your CrossFit area. And also please be aware you have to be consistent and use it every day to see results. Like any other home device, you have to be consistent or you won't see any results. And before you purchase any at-home machine, think about it. If you have the time, if you have the patience to use it every day, or you'll be wasting your money. Trust me. I use usually every night 3 to 5 different devices, and some days I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't want to do, but I'm like, no, I'm gonna be consistent because I want to see results. And also some people like to use NIRA laser in some other areas of the face, like here close to their ear, but I just do around my eyes. And talk about other areas, NIRA just launched the NIRA Laser Pro, so you can use on the rest of your face, not only under your eyes. So I'm very excited to be testing. It's probably gonna be my next video, doing the unbox and the review of NIRA Laser Pro, so please stay tuned. So what comes in a box? It comes with the device itself. It's pretty small, very convenient to bring with you if you're traveling or just going away for the weekend so you don't miss your treatment. I always bring with me wherever I go. I don't miss my treatment. And it also comes with a plug so you can charge it up before you use. But NIRA is wireless and I love it. I also love that the plug comes with the name on it. I always label my cords because I have so many devices device and I don't want to have them mixed up. So with NIRA, I don't have to label because it already comes with the name. So thanks NIRA, less work for me. And it also comes with the manual. It's a very good manual, please keep it. And now I'm gonna show you how to use. Make sure your NIRA is fully charged. Wash and dry your face and do not apply any product. You just want a clean face. And then you're gonna press this button to turn it on. NIRA has 5 levels of intensity. Even though they advertise as a painless device, I did not feel comfortable using right away the level 5. I started on the level 3 and I worked my way to level 5. I don't know if you guys can see the level 3. So just try it first and see on each level you'll feel more comfortable, and then you can work your way up. Another thing that you can do, you can ice your face before you start your treatment. It helps a lot. You can just grab a piece of cloth, put some ice, and ice your eyes before you start NIRA. I like to use my Faustina radio frequency. This machine has a different modes in here, and one of the modes is a cool mode. This one is a cool mode, so I like to use it before I start my treatment. I just put on top of my eyes. It feels nice and cold, and it helps with the treatment before I start my NIRA. I don't need to do for too long, especially if you're doing ice. Ice is colder, I believe, than this machine. This is cold, but not like super cold. You can do like this for a couple seconds, and then I'll go and grab my NIRA and I start my treatment. On NIRA's website, they have a great photo illustration that shows 3 rows that you do under your eye, and you don't want to overlap. It should be a total of 40 pulses on each eye, and I like to do 40 pulses under my eyes, and then 40 on top, 40 under, 40 on top, and then it makes a noise when you reach the 40 pulses and it turns off, so you start again. Next area, please be careful not to get the machine in contact with your eyeballs. It's very important not to do in your eyeballs, please. Safety first. When the machine is not fully in contact, it's gonna beep once. And when the machine is full in contact with your skin, it's gonna beep twice. Now let me show you how to do it. Let me grab here my mirror. So that's what I'm gonna do. I like to start here from the corner of my eyes, and I do one next to the other. And now I'm going to my second row. You don't want to overlap. Now I'm gonna do my third row. So looks like I didn't do the 40 pulses. I'm gonna do like a little left. I like to do in this corner here. Come like all the way here. Here we go. That was the beep that is done. So I missed just 2. Now I'm gonna start this other eye. Okay, now that I finished my under eyes, I'm gonna do all my hooded eyes. I like to start a little bit high from the outer corner to the inner corner. Very close to my eyebrows. I do one very close, the last line, the third line, I do kind of close to my lashes, but not too close. Okay, I finished one eye. It didn't beep yet, but I'm gonna move to the After your treatment is done, it's very important to take care of your skin. I like to use the NIRA Hyaluronic Serum. This one right here, it leaves my skin very smooth and hydrated. And if you buy together with the NIRA laser, you can get a really good discount. And you only need one pump. Put in here under your eyes. On the top too. Oh, it feels so nice and refreshing. And you can use the NIRA 2 times a day to maximize the results. I like to use it in the morning and night. In the morning, I use it before I go to work. I do my treatment, I apply the hyaluronic acid, my sunscreen, makeup, and I'm good to go. And at night, I apply before I go to bed. And I've been using NIRA for over 1 year now, and I start to see results in only 30 days on either my upper and lower eye. I also noticed that my Botox, instead of last 5 months, was lasting close to a year. Actually, I'm not thinking on getting Botox anytime soon because I'm just getting incredible results just with the devices I use at home. I also want to leave a picture here talking about results. The results here is on my hooded eyes. I achieved in 90 days, so in 3 months. And every time I post it on my stories on my Instagram, everybody gets in shock. They're like, wow, that's amazing. So it's very effective on your hooded eyes. It's amazing, but like any other machine, the results doesn't last forever. Nothing's forever. You have to be consistently using basically forever. And I have no problem. I love the results that I have. I think to conclude this, I think NIRA is an amazing anti-aging product. You can achieve incredible results like any other device. You need to be consistent. And I have a discount code I'm gonna leave in the description below if you're interested in purchase, so you can save some money. Also, NIRA offers 90-day money-back guarantee, US free shipping, is FDA cleared, is for all skin types as well. And I think that's it, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share all that good stuff that doesn't cost anything to you and is very important to me. Let me know on the comments if you have a NIRA, if you achieve the results that you wanted, or if you want NIRA, maybe I'll do a giveaway sometime. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Bye.